morning. Today is Monday. Welcome to another week in my hair and life. I am on my way to a shoot for a casino and I need to leave like right this second, so I'm gonna just throw on my clothes. But this morning I did my hair. They wanted me to come hair makeup ready. I didn't finish my makeup all the way, so I'm gonna try to do it there. But yeah, let me put my stuff together and let's head over to the casino. Alright, it is about 4:45. I'm finished. It was a day. I got here on time. Ended up being 30 minutes late because I could not figure out where to go. So that was very embarrassing because I've never been late to a shoot before. But they were really sweet and nice about it. The shoot was extremely easy. All I had to do was basically sit there most of the day, and then when I was called up in front of the camera, I was just smiling. So I've already did a casino shoot not too long ago. I think it's gonna be hilarious seeing two different competitor casino shoots and then seeing my face on both of them. But this one was a lot easier. The people were a lot more easygoing than the last client, and like everybody was pretty much exhausted at the end of the day. But I still have all this energy because I've done a shoot like this already before, and it was from 9 p.m. 10 p.m. till 9 a.m. so like that was exhausting. This to me was pretty easy, although I've been up since 4 a.m. They had us bring wardrobe today. They wanted us to bring going out clothes, which I didn't have, so I had ran to Primark yesterday to get some, but they're like, these aren't going out enough, so they wanted me to bring some more wardrobe tomorrow. So I'm gonna run to Target, I guess, and try to get a couple of things to keep the tags on and then return. Then I'm going to run to Trader Joe's because I went with my friend Abby yesterday and they had these vegetarian bird nest that she wanted to try. So I was like, that looks pretty interesting, let me try it too, and I was in love with it. So I want to have that for dinner tonight. I did start my little diet finally because I'm going to be a fit model starting next Monday for this company, so I have to be very strict about my diet because I don't want to mess up that client because they paid a nice chunk of change. Let's hit the road. It's about a 30-minute drive without traffic, so I don't know what it is with traffic, but let's go. So just made it back home and I'm feeling really sleepy. I stopped at Trader Joe's I also stopped at my friend Abby because she loaned me some clothes for tomorrow because I don't have the proper wardrobe, and now I don't have to go out to purchase something, so I'm really excited about that. I got just two things. This Happy Trekking trail mix. It has almonds, cashews, pistachios, dark chocolate, cranberries, and cherries. And this stuff, oh my god, I bought it yesterday and I'm finished like half of the bag already, but it's really good. And I bought my mom a bag. And then this is what I really went for. It's the vegetable bird's nest tempura with soy dipping sauce. Oh my gosh, this stuff is, let me show you. It tastes really good in the air fryer. I'm not sure, like I'm sure it'll taste good baked, but not as good with it like nice and crispy. So I'm gonna make a little bit of that for dinner, and I'm gonna try to put a vegetable with it, maybe some broccoli. And I'm gonna straighten up just a little bit because I keep leaving my place right. Like I literally cleaned it all nice last night and I wrecked it. So as this is being made, I'm gonna clean up, wrap my hair, and prep my clothes for tomorrow and go to sleep because I have another early day. So I will probably see you guys once I wrap up my hair. Time to wrap the hair using my little Denman brush from the beauty supply store, like dupe, to brush out the curls. I didn't have any heat added onto my hair today, which was nice. Just some hairspray. Definitely getting a hair treatment very soon. I know I'm gonna have to put heat on it tomorrow to restyle it because it has to look camera ready, and then tomorrow will be the only day I need to put additional heat on my hair because the rest of the week I don't have a shoot until Monday next week. But I do have a casting on Thursday where I just have to go try out some dresses, so I'm gonna have to look a little bit nice for that, but I'm gonna try not to. I'm not gonna put heat on my hair to freshen it up. Yeah, I'm going to take a shower and head to bed, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Today is day 2 of my shoot, and I'm hoping it's gonna be another easy day. It is 6:45 now. It took me another 20 minutes to try to find this spot. I'm hoping that I'm in the right spot because I still can't tell. It is so confusing where they want us to enter at. But yeah, let me get my stuff and let's head in so I'm not late today. All right, we're all finished and I had so much fun. This is one of the best crews I've ever worked with because everybody was just so nice. And the talent was really cool too. So I think that's always my favorite part of shoots, is the networking aspect of it. Right now it is about 4:30, so I am going to drive home. It takes me an hour with traffic to get back. And then I'm probably going to just chill out for the rest of the evening because I do have to work tomorrow. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the day here for my hair. I'm just gonna wrap it like I did last night. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. Today is Wednesday and I am getting ready to go to work. As you see with my hair, I didn't wrap it or anything like I was supposed to. I just threw on the bonnet and went to sleep. My hair has got a bunch of hairspray in it. I think I'm doing a little bun with the pieces in the front because my hair is quite frizzy. My camera's about to die, but I'm almost finished. I just gotta add some edge control and just kind of whoosh up my little front pieces. But let me throw this on the charger and I'll see you guys later. What's up? Just made it back home. I'm still wearing my mask, although the mandate for a mask in Chicago has been lifted, but I am obsessed with my lime green ones. I get so many compliments on them, and it's a very good quality mask too. Just came home to a bunch of packages because yeah, that's Sierra LaFay for you. I already know I opened up this one yesterday because I got this one yesterday and I got these 3 today. This package I'm taking back because the shoes are too small, but I did order a similar shoe in a bigger size. I knew that between one of the two I would keep and one I would return. And yeah, let me start opening these up. I'll show you guys this package first though. Okay, this is a Japanese brand I just got put on a few months ago, and I was obsessing over their sneakers. Basically take silhouettes of like Vans and Converse, but they just add their own little spin to it. But I like this better than the actual Converse silhouette because it's just thicker, so it's better to wear when you have baggy clothes, which is me all the time. But it has the fat laces. This one is actually with pony hair, which is the ones that I wanted, but they were sold out everywhere, and they just had this one pair left in one size, which was a size 39, which is 2 sizes too small for me. But I heard these shoes run really big, and I actually got my foot all the way in there, and I feel like once it stretched out it would work, but I just want something that fits kind of comfortable right away. Oh, and this background noise is me air frying some more of these amazing bird's nests. Oh my gosh, these are just incredible. They have too much sodium, but they are so freaking good. All right, this next thing I got from Teely's, it's a hair clip and it's a neon green. Let's see, I hope you can see this. Okay, this next top I'm so excited for. Like, I definitely overpaid for what it was. It's basically a long sleeve crop t-shirt under another crop t-shirt. But oh my gosh, yeah, I overpaid for this. It's something you could totally do yourself, but I'm not into DIY. I wish I was, but I feel like every time I do it, it looks very DIY-ish. But I wanted to wear this with my, oh my goodness. Okay, I gotta show you guys this. I've been shopping more luxury lately because I am trying to just elevate my wardrobe, and I like luxury, and I want to play in that market in terms of selling and designing. So anyway, I'm going to wear this with my, should have them hanging up here, my Margiela jeans that I also got from Satire. And I'm having a bag being made, so I'm gonna style it with the bag that I am making. Thing is the other pair of the Maharas. These are a size 40, which I'm pretty sure I can fit. I'm actually a size 41, but they say to size down in these. But these are just the black canvas ones. I actually like the black canvas more than the pony hair. I'm surprised. So these fit perfect. I feel like they're a little big. Like if they had a 39.75, that would work for me because I'm gonna sock with this and I still have like some room, I think. But a 39 is way too tight. But anyway, I'm obsessed with them. They're nice and chunky, so I can wear with like my baggier clothes. It's my little luxury haul. Thank you for watching. Good morning. Today is Thursday and I'm on my way to my agency to try out some dresses to take photos for a client that sent the dresses to the agency. They're trying to select models, and then after I am going to go to work. For my hair, I like sloppily wrapped it last night because I am going to put it in a ponytail, the two pieces in the front again, because you kind of want your hair like pulled back, I feel like, when you're trying on gowns, so that way it's not distracting to the gown if they see a head full of hair. All right, this is the hair, same as yesterday. The reason I didn't put my bright green clip in today, because I would have, just because I have to take photos in gowns and for agency, so it's gonna be too distracting. But tomorrow, definitely wearing that. But let me finish getting ready and then let's head to the agency. So just finished, I need to rush to work. I went in there with the attitude that I really didn't want to book this gig because it requires me to stand around in a wedding dress for like 8 hours, and the pay is not good. Like it adds up over the days, and I mean it's more than I would make average in a day, but I'm just like, I really don't want to book this gig. But anyway, one of the dresses didn't fit. It was too tight. So it's like, okay, I hope this means that, you know, they're not interested. But I did try on another dress and it fit, and I had to walk in it. So we'll see. I also finally picked up my comp cards, so now I don't have to keep going to UPS to print out stuff. Anyway, let me rush to work and see you guys in a little bit. This is a little breakfast I packed. Got my trail mix from Trader Joe's, some strawberries, and a banana. So I'm going to be eating real healthy these next few days. So I'm doing some editing, and I'm going to just go ahead and end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to see my next week. And until the next video, ciao.
I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.